Alright friends, today we are going to create this awesome menu hover effect. So these are the links. When I click this menu hover effect, then there have been the curtain transformation, and with a certain blink the menu appears. So we are going to create this, and before getting started I have provided the source code in the description. So here in the index.html I have given the title, then link my CSS file. So here in the body section, let's zoom it. I have created a div of class id curtain. So here in this I want to create a span. Let's triple it. After saving, there will be a ul, means another list of list item having the anchor to nothing. So here is changing the contact, that services home, and then I want to put the contact. You can say contact, then after that about. So after saving, after the ul I want to create a div of class Toggle. So after saving, let's preview with the live server what is the output of this HTML that we have written till now. So here is the result that we have written till now. Now I am creating another web. I am opening another web page that is required to create this thing. Here I have written first font awesome and then flat UI. Sorry for that, I have not pronounced it. So here in the body section I have written all the basic. Now just copy this class here. Before this I want to style something in the body, so I put in the box sizing will be border box, overflow will be hidden. So now after that I want to style the curtain, actually where all the animation will occur, or you can say all the header section. So here I am giving the position fixed, top 0, left 0, width will be 100% and height will be 100 vh, means the maximum height that will be covered at the initial. So here I am now styling the span. So here I have given the position absolute because I want to create the transition effect with the help of this div. So there must be an option, we have to put this thing in the position absolute, not relative. So I have reminded, and here I have written the width 200% because when the transition the take place with the span, then it will rotate. So initially it rotate. If we have shorten out the width, then the transition will not have a smooth effect, or you can say it will not contain the entire screen. So width is 200%, or you can increase or decrease upon your choice. So I have second thing that is important is transition origin is bottom left, and here I am selecting the ns child is first. Now here in this I am giving the background. After that I am giving the transform of 0 degree. So after double it, triple it, because we have 3 span, here I am cutting it to 3. Background will be black, some while black, and here in the flat UI colors, so select anything, let's say this. Now here in this I have selected this color. Now paste it here, then this color, paste it here. After saving, cause this web page. So here this is the preview, because we have transform of 0 degree, we have to initially start with the minus 90 degrees. So after that I want to give the transition delay, because this effect will be achieved by the help of transition delay. It is all the effect of the transition delay, so you have to remember what the things are going to. So here I have written the 0.2 second delay. So let's small it, and this is the preview. Now here in this I want to put I want to rotate this thing into 90 degrees. So I have alt and then click where you want to change. So here as you can see the preview, and this the transition we want to create in our web page. So here I have created a script creating a function of name toggle, and here in this I want to create a variable variable name curtain. Then in this I want to store the document get element by id of id name curtain. So as you can see now, before writing it is clever to paste it here. So here in this I want to style this curtain having the classlet dot toggle, and this the class that we want to paste it in here is active. Now close this. After saving, so just copy this thing, and here a little by space, write the on click and paste the function. After saving, so here as you can see now we are going to style this toggle. So here in this toggle I want to give the position will be fixed. Top will be you can say 20 pixel, sorry, 20 pixel, not pc. Here right will be again 20 pixel. I want it to be aligned at the, you can say, symmetry. Here width is 40 pixels. So as you can see I want to be a square, so height will be again 40 pixels. So background that I want to put in this is url, or wait, you say that where this svg will come. So as you can see I have opened the font awesome, go to icon, I have duplicate this thing. Here in this search box search for menu. So after you have searched, then this is the image that I have used. Now here it will take some time because I have recently started my PC. So here I have written the close in the search box. So here as you can see there are different options, you can put it also, but I have chosen this simple one. So here this is the svg image that you can download for your image. So here click on this and just paste it. So as you can see this has been downloaded and linked to your you can say html file. So if you don't know how to link this, I have also provided the video, please check it out on my you can say youtube account. And here in this I want to give the position of background position will be center so that it will align at the center. And background I want no repeat for my background. So as you can see this preview. Now after that when I toggle, uh, as you can see when I click this then the class has been changing. So when I click this then the active class has been linking to the curtain part. So this is the effect that we wanted to be creating in my web page. Now here in this I want to select the curtain, curtain dot active, and here in this I want to style this toggle thing. Now be a space and paste it. Now when I click this then the URL changed to closed, means time.solid. So after saving it, as you can see there have been the transition uh, without any delay or transition effect. Now here in this I want to style this curtain dot span when it will be active, not the passive one. And here in this I want to give the transform of 0 degree because initially it is minus 90 degree which is hidden from the screen, and on the click it will appear on the whole screen. Here transition given is 0.5 seconds. So here in this I want dot active. So after saving it, as you can see there is no preview because we have not created the passive class of this thing. Now I have doubled it. Now here in this just cut this extra part of this thing. And second thing that I want to remind in this video that I have also provided the source code of this tutorial, please check it out if you do not. So here in this I want the transition delay I have changed it because this all the thing that I have created the transition is the help of the transition delay. So you have to think twice before using the transition. So here as you can see when I click this button then there have been the curtain effect with the smooth effect, but there has been still a problem, our content is behind this curtain. So here now I have changed it background so that some while it will look pretty well. Now here in this I am thinking about creating the UL that we have created. So I have selected this curtain. We are with the help of this curtain dot active I want to style my CSS. So sorry for that, I have opened my guidance. So here I am this selecting the curtain. uh, is better not to put the background white. So here in the curtain I want to give the display flags align item center and justify content will be center because I want the content of my web page to be at the center. So I have put in the dry hash curtain with the id giving the display flag. So here in this UL I have given the position absolute, opacity 0, it will be initially hidden, and visibility also hidden. Now here I am giving the transition of 0 0 seconds. So here in this, as you can see, when I the curtain is active. Now here in this I want UL giving the visibility will be, you can say, transition will be 0.7 second and transition delay will act for 0.7. Delay will be 0.5 second, because for the curtain the total transition is 0.5 seconds, so it will start when this curtain will end. So as you can see all the content in the web page. So select this class and paste it here. Now we are going to style the ULLI. So as you can see there was nothing of, you can say. Now here anchor tag. Now cut this part. I am giving the text decoration will be none. Underline. Basically here text transform is capitalized each word, and font size is 2.5 em. So you can also put it in the pixel, but I want to say that 1 em is equal to 16 pixel. So this is the new unit that I have studied. So please, when you have studied any new unit in your CSS, then please apply so that you will be familiar to that, because there are some point where you use the em which are certainly more advanced than pixels. So I have used the em. So here when I hover this anchor tag, then I want the text decoration having the underline white. So there have been a better way to represent this white thing, but this thing doesn't work, so cut this part. After saving, as you can see the underline of white color. Now here in this is the total transition that we have created till now. Now if there have been some fault, or you can say bug, then you can complain to me in the comment box after commenting that here this line was not so much great, and there will be the code that we wanted to change in this. So please comment it down if you do find some mistake in this video, and please like and share this kind of video, because this kind of video require more than more usual effect, because you can say because but this still the thing is that it require a lot of time to create this awesome like web page. So thank you.